Meow. So I'm doing a kitty walking on a fence here, and I'm just starting by mapping in kitty the general shapes, the basic shapes, and feeling my way around. Just trusting my gut. If it feels right, and then that nice little swoosh of a tail. And you know, cat tails are great because they don't have to be shaped exactly how you see them as long as they look like a tail. And I often use them the way the tail curls to draw the eye back into the focal point of the drawing. And just have fun with it and just allow it to fit in with the flow of the drawing. Depending on your style, of course. Get that muzzle in there. Always trust your own style. Feeling out where the ears go. And if you really like to draw cats, we would love it if you would join our cat drawing art workshop on Facebook, and you'll find that link in the description below, along with some other handy cat drawing links. We'd love to have you help build the community. Just kind of giving a hint of a bib in there. Thinking about what's important. Because I don't want to confuse the viewer's eye with too many details. I just want what's important, and I just want the lines to flow together nicely. Add a back paw, back leg there, even though we can't really see one very well, but I want to make the kitty look balanced. Going by what I see, but also by what the drawing needs. And now I'll put some lines in to place the eyes. This is where I do tighten up a little to help place the features and make them look convincingly like kitty features. But I don't worry about them being perfect because it's more about character. If I fuss over perfection, that's when I lose the livelihood of the drawing. It becomes stiff and lifeless and lacking character. So if the eyes are a little wonky, that's okay. That's what helps give the character. It kind of adds to the expression of the cat's face. It's a fine dance to know when enough is enough, and you really have to trust your own style. Don't try to do it exactly like me. Take what you learn from me and make it your own. Oh, I think that was a little bit much in the way of those lines under the eyes. I'll probably get rid of those later. Oh, and yes, do subscribe to our channel. Subscriptions are what make this channel tick, and we'd love to have you help us build the community. So hit subscribe, hit that little bell so you don't miss a video. Just refining here and strengthening up the lines that I like. And I kind of slanted Kitty's paws here, and I didn't mean for them to go out of the picture, but they did. Not much though, but they're kind of slanted because they're clinging to the fence. So far I'm really liking this little kitty. Yeah, I feel like I got too harsh of lines there. And maybe should have erased the outside of the eye lines too, the tabby stripes that go from the eyes. But that's okay, it's a work in progress, and I learn something from every drawing I do. Add a bit of a hint of a fence there. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me what you want to know about drawing cats, or even to just say hi and tell me your cat's name. And be sure to check out our Facebook group, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.